video, I will show you how to watch movies with your friends on Discord using your mobile phone. Now, there isn't a direct built-in feature for streaming movies on Discord mobile, but you can easily do it by using the Discord screen sharing option. Before you begin, make sure the movie you want to watch is already open or queued up on your device. Once that's ready, open up the Discord app, log into your account. Now tap on the arrow icon at the top right and navigate to the General section. From there, choose a server and tap Join Voice to enter a voice channel. After joining the voice channel, you'll see a new interface. To start sharing your screen, tap anywhere on the screen and swipe up. This will reveal the screen sharing option. Go ahead and select that. Once the feature activates and your screen is being shared, your friends will be able to see whatever is playing on your device, including your movie. With the screen shared, you can now watch together in real time. That's all you need to do to watch movies on Discord mobile with your friends. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.